Hey y'all, so I apologize for my face and stuff, but then I was like, y'all my friends, y'all can see me like this, it's okay. Anyway, I'm really excited because this weekend is my birthday and I'm surprising my sister with a fairy picnic. And at first I was gonna go with like these picnic services, but then they were way out of my price range. So I decided I'm just gonna do my own DIY fairy picnic. Yeah, so I'll insert pictures of the inspiration real quick. So yeah, I want to do like an antique style, vintage, fairy picnic is the vibe. I want to really like rustic, antique style, but then I want some color, pops of color in this, some yellows, some greens, because her favorite color is seafoam green. My favorite color is not yellow, but I look good in yellow because black women look good in yellow. So yeah, um, yeah, I got everything off of Amazon, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got and how I plan on doing it all together, and then yeah. So this is basically everything I got from Amazon. I do not remember the prices for everything, but I'm pretty sure I got it all for under $160, which is great because a lot of these luxury picnics start at 200 something, and that wasn't in my ministry, so we didn't do that. I saw a girl on here who recommended the Amazon picnic basket kits. The one she got was $150, but I found one that is for 4 people. I think it was 40 something. But yeah, so it has the plates, 2 plates each. 4 plates, 4 spoons, 4 forks. It has a wine cork opener. It's insulated, so you can be used as a cooler or a heater for your food. And then it comes with 4 of these wine glasses, and they're actually glass. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're kind of small, but that's okay. It's okay. It's just, there's 4 of them, so whatever. This was kind of a cheap kit. I'm pretty sure if you get a more expensive kit, the glasses will be bigger, but yeah, this is how big they are. And then also it came with a blanket, and I love this blanket because not only does it match everything, it is waterproof, so it's good for the grass. I am not actually gonna have this blanket showing. This is gonna be like the base, so nothing gets wet, and I'm gonna put on top of it blankets that go more with our theme. So yeah, all this together, pretty much a steal. I was really looking for something with a cute pattern. Everything was like checkerboard, and that's just not what I was going for. I wanted antique rustic, and this is like more of a rustic color. I love the little cherries on it. I think that's so freaking cute. So for the rest of the stuff, I got these pillows from Amazon. It was really hard to find pillows that actually had the stuffing in them that were affordable, and these are like velvety, so they feel really nice and smooth. They're a nice size. They're not too fluffy, which is fine because they're just for sitting. I have these flowers. I just wanted to go for fake flowers. If you really wanted to save money, even more money, get Dollar Tree or Dollar General flowers. I just wanted everything to be in one place because I didn't know about my time constraints. So yeah, I got these from I got these sunflowers. I think they were like $8. And these chrysanthemums. Chrysanthemums are my sister's favorite flower, and they're like a muted green, which kind of goes with the theme. I did want them to be a little more bright green, but it is what it is, okay? So that's that. This is the blanket. It kind of matches the green. It's still that kind of muted green, that kind of antique rustic vibe. Everything's like a muted color. Nothing's too bright, too poppin'. So that's really freaking cute. And the base of everything is gonna be this lace. I don't know if you guys remember the inspo from before, but it looked like it was a lace with a tablecloth basically on top of it. So that's what I got. I got lace, and that's the tablecloth. That's technically our blanket. And to eat off of, I've got these gold plated, like, I think these are styrofoam, I'm not sure, but they're like little serving trays. I'm just gonna clean and disinfect them, but these are so aesthetically pleasing. They go with the rustic vibe. Are y'all starting to see the mother freaking vision? Are you starting to see it? And then the last thing I got was this cute little tray. It's like a 3-tiered cupcake tray. I guess we can make little cupcakes. I think I'm gonna do mini cupcakes. I don't know. I think mini cupcakes look cute because it's like fairies, everything's small, bite size. So I'm thinking mini cupcakes or like a really cute cake, or maybe macaroons. It's whatever I decide in that moment, or maybe all three since it's 3 tiers. So I got my base down and this is what it's looking like. I'm still not sure. Okay, I think I'm liking that. I'm gonna quickly put this little tray together and then put the flowers and try to figure out where to put the fan. But look at this. This is so cute, and it took like 2 minutes to put together with the tray. And then this random flower just wanted to be out here, so I'm gonna leave her out here. Whew, okay, that was a lot of work. So, excuse this braid. I think this braid, she just wants to have a special appearance. Oh, Lord, okay. So I think I kind of got how I want it to look. Y'all, look at this. The vibes. Oh, it's so cute. And then just imagine it with the plates sitting here and here. Oh my God, this is so, and then the umbrella. Bitch, this is so cute. So I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me to get all the items of the snacks we're gonna eat, and then show you my outfit, and then we're gonna head to the picnic, bitch.